for apple, red and sweet. B for banana, a yummy treat. C for carrot, crunchy and bright. D for date, so chewy and light. E for eggplant, purple and round. F for fig, with sweetness found. G for grapes, in a bunch they grow. H for honey, golden glow. I for ice cream, cool and fun. J for jackfruit, the biggest one. K for kiwi, fuzzy outside. L for lemon, sour inside. M for mango, juicy delight. N for nuts that make us bright. O for orange, full of cheer. P for peas, so small and near. Q for quince, rare to see. R for raspberry, tiny and free. S for strawberry, red and sweet. T for tomato, a juicy treat. U for ugly fruit, funny name. V for vanilla, sweet in fame. W for watermelon, big and cool. X for exigua, a melon too. Y for yam, and tasty you eat. Z for zucchini, healthy treat. From A to Z, we had some fun.